Wow, this thing actually works. For me. Hello, welcome to Living Life with Jerry and Mel. I'm Jerry, and today I'm going to sort of review, I guess you'd say, and show how this rolling knife sharpener that I bought off of Amazon, bought it last year for about 20 bucks at the time. I don't even know what it is now. And show you how this thing sharpens this knife that I used this year on the 2 turkeys I killed. Now, to be honest with you, I felt the knife and it's still sharp because I, used it only twice. But I'm going to put it through the rigors on this thing just to smooth it back down, I guess you'd say. But anyway, rolling knife sharpener, suitable for various knives. On the back here it says body material, natural wood, honing disc, a diamond disc, and ceramic disc. And then it tells you about the size. It says it's used to sharpen knives, suitable for various knives. It's got a 15 degree for sharpness and a 20 degree for robust sharpness. Okay, I'm not a knife expert, so really don't know exactly what that means, but I don't need to since I'm not a knife expert. So let's open up this box and see what's in here. Okay, first there is a little booklet that tells you how to use the rolling knife sharpener. You have the block that holds the knife. It's got some pads on the bottom of it so it doesn't slide all over your floor. And each side of this is magnetic, and you'll see in a minute how strong that really is. And then you actually have the rolling sharpener itself. This is the diamond disc. You can see how it rolls. It's inside, the inside tube rolls. And then here is the ceramic disc. You can see how it rolls too. So I'm going to put my knife on this thing and we'll see how it goes. Pretty simple to use. And I'm going to use the 15 degree edge because I don't want to get too crazy with this. So here is my knife. This was my dad's knife. It says it's a Gerber A400. And that is a stainless steel blade. It's got a mark. I can't read it. I need to get some glasses. But check this out. When you put your knife here, and I'm going to just hold it like this. When it gets close to this. So it's really a strong magnet on there that holds this knife. So anyway, that's all you do. You attach your knife. What I will do is I'll hold here and I'll put my thumb on the back because I don't want this knife moving around like that, you know? So I'll just put it on there and put my knife. I want the blade to be up a little bit so it does hit these. And then we will just carefully put that disc up here, and I'm using the diamond disc. And you just roll it back and forth. Now, at the edge of my knife, when it's on here, it sort of curves a little bit. So once I get to the edge of that, I will just roll it and kind of twist a little bit. And there's no use in getting in a big hurry with this. And I'm only going to hit this about 10 times. I've kind of lost count. I think that's good. So now I'm going to, on this side, I'm going to use my the ceramic sharpener, and you know, that will smooth it out. Usually after you use the diamond edge there, or if whatever material yours is, you can feel some roughness. And I'm just going to rub this on here. This hones it good. All right. For this demonstration, that side is done. And again, just do this slow. There's no rush. And depending on how dull your knife is, or how sharp it is, you may have to do this longer, but my knife is already pretty sharp. I'm just trying to re-hone it, I guess you'd say, re-hone it for whatever edge might have been gone when I killed those turkeys. All right, now I'm going to go to the ceramic edge and give it 10 strokes. I can hear just a little as you go back. You can hear, I don't know if it's just dust or whatever debris comes off of an edge. But you can kind of hear it. I'm not hearing it now, so it must have honed it off. All right. So we got it there. You can really feel the edge on there. Like I say, this knife was already very sharp to begin with, but now what little I used it, you know, processing those 2 turkeys I killed this year, I think it's back to the same edge it was before. All right. All right, so I guess would I recommend this? If you're a professional knife sharpener, or you have all of the old school sharpening kits, or you even have an electric knife sharpener, would I recommend this to you? I still would probably recommend it to you. Why not have another one? You know, it's $20-30 is all it is, and it's quick and easy. Did it sharpen my knife? Well, my knife was already pretty sharp to begin with, but yeah, I think it re-edged it. It certainly didn't dull it, you know. So, but for the person like me who isn't using a knife every single day, yes, I would recommend it. I like it. It's just it's rolling knife sharpener. You know, it's inexpensive. It's easy to use. You know, one of the things and I've got all the other knife sharpening kits, but it's hard for me to hold the proper edge. When you clamp your knife onto this right here, it does seem to hold it in position good. So you know at least you're putting the correct edge that you want on your knife. So yeah, I would recommend it. There's a lot of different brands out there. I bought the cheapest one they had, but you can spend hundreds of dollars on one of these if you want to. But to me, that's it. If you want to spend $100 on one, go ahead. But for me, and what I spent for this, it works out very good. So yeah, give it a shot. If you order it on Amazon, you really don't have nothing to lose. If it doesn't work for you, or you don't like it, or you think it's just a big joke, send it back, get your money back. It's that simple. You know, you can usually tell on a knife or two. But I have used this on my pocket knives and different things, and it works well too. The only thing that I did notice, if I'm using something with a small blade, it seems to go down there, and then, of course, this doesn't hook on there. But one of the things I tell you to do is, if you got a small blade, to put you like a cutting board or something on this side. Just roll a cutting board or something that would your knife could sit on, and it would raise it up, and then you can just go back and forth with that. And that worked. That worked fine. So I guess this is a good little rig for the money, for people that want to just give a quick sharpening to their knife and don't want to spend a lot of time on it, or you're not, this magical guy that can keep running it and keep the exact position of the blade. Personally, when I'm doing it like that right there, I think I might start at 15, then the next one might be 12, and then 18, 25, So it's really hard. It takes me a long time to get a knife sharpened. But all of my knives are pretty sharp, and from now on, I'll just use this thing to quickly hone it back into place. So anyway, hope you found this video helpful. If you did, throw me a like down there. Subscribe to our channel for more. We have a lot of stuff. We try to just put videos out there that is of me and Melody and things that we do. If you buy it, drop a comment. Let me know what you think. Did it work for you, or did you find it to be a piece of junk? So anyway, hope you enjoyed this. We'll see you next time on Living Life with Jerry and Mel. Take care.